Well, Stuart, Jeffrey Nels was convicted of armed trespassing back in 2017 and sentenced to 3 years in prison. He got out on Sunday and spoke with me not only about being released without being tested for the coronavirus, but also just about life behind bars during a pandemic.
Are you able to socially distance 6 feet? Are you able to wash your hands with soap often?
Bunks are about 2 feet away from each other. Social distancing just isn't possible in there. There was one day when they didn't have soap and we kept asking for it and they didn't have it. They were telling us they were out. And so nobody was able to wash their hands that day.
Those conditions now a thing of the past for Jeffrey Nels. He walked out of prison a free man Sunday after a 3-year sentence and was met by his mother, Marianne.
There he is. He's home.
Through his mask, you can see he was happy to be out, but what you couldn't see, the anxiety he says he was feeling about possibly putting his family and others at risk health-wise. You see, up to this moment, Nels was in medical quarantine after he says 2 of his dorm mates tested positive for COVID-19. He says he still doesn't know whether he contracted the virus, and neither did Tomoka Correctional Institution before releasing him. The Florida Department of Corrections' latest numbers show more than 95% of the inmates at Tomoka are currently in medical quarantine. That's because they may have had close contact with a person who tested positive for COVID-19 or was symptomatic. The numbers also now show 128 inmates there have tested positive.
The guys in bunks on both sides of me tested positive, yet they never tested me. And they knew I was coming home soon.
The inmates aren't the only ones being infected. According to the FDC, 19 staff members have now tested positive as well.
The guards weren't wearing face masks or anything at first until people started showing up positive.
The FDC just last week publicized expanded inmate testing and said they were now allowing any and all staff to get tested at Tomoka. Jeffrey says the inmate testing only lasted a couple of days.
I'm concerned about that. As you know, everybody's coming into contact with each other.
While the inmates' safety is still a concern at top of mind, Jeffrey's priority, his own health. So, the first stop on his way home,
have an appointment?
No.
a testing site.
I gotta spit 3 times into it.
Okay.
So that's one.
Now that the testing is over, the wait is on. Jeffrey says the doctor told him results would take anywhere from 2 to 7 days. And while he's hoping for the best, he can't help but think about the worst case scenario.
Part of my sentence wasn't to be exposed to coronavirus. It was to be incarcerated, not to be potentially exposed to a deadly disease and pass it on to my family.
Now, when I asked FDC if a specific plan was in place to test inmates prior to being released, this was their response. If an inmate is scheduled to be released and in medical quarantine or isolation, FDC Classification and Health Services staff will work with the inmate to provide him or her with as much information and support upon release as possible. I then, of course, followed up and asked if Jeffrey had received any information or support upon release, and the answer was no. His mother adding that she was the one who brought him the mask that he wore when he first got out of prison. Stu, back to you.
Okay, Summer, that's a lot to weigh in on. Thank you.